children. Now we are going to next topic of this chapter, water pollution. When harmful substances are released into water bodies, they cause water pollution. Water bodies get polluted when chemical waste from factories are dumped in them, household waste and untreated sewage are dumped in them, people bathe and wash clothes in rivers and lakes, leakage from oil tankers. Natural factors such as storms also cause water pollution. See, water pollution. Harmful substances are discharged into water bodies causes water pollution. Human activities. Dumping chemical waste from factories in water bodies. Dumping household waste and untreated sewage in water bodies. Bathing and washing clothes in rivers and lakes. Leakage from oil tankers. Natural factors, that is, storm causes soil and other particles to dissolve in water. Water pollution is harmful for plants, animals and humans. Jaundice, gastroenteritis, typhoid are diseases caused by drinking polluted water. So we have to make water pure before using it. You know, World Water Day is celebrated on 22nd March every year to realize the importance of safe and clean drinking water. Now we are moving to land pollution or soil pollution. Land or soil gets polluted when harmful substances are released into it. What are the causes of land or soil pollution? Solid waste such as garbage, refuse from forest and agriculture, refuse from mines. See, causes of soil pollution. Solid waste such as garbage, refuse from forest and agriculture, refuse from mines. Pollution makes the soil infertile. It also harms the organism living in the soil. Next, noise pollution. Among the sounds we hear, only some are pleasant to our ears, right? Sound which is not pleasant to our ears is called noise. Excessive and unpleasant sound in our environment is called noise pollution. It causes stress, irritation, and can also lead to loss of hearing. The intensity of sound is measured in decibels. The softest sound we can hear is about 20 decibels. Any sound louder than 90 decibel is harmful for our ears. See, noise pollution. Excessive and unpleasant sound in our environment is called noise or sound pollution. See, the intensity of sound is measured in decibel, the unit of sound. What are the causes of noise pollution? Noise pollution is caused by horns of vehicles, loudspeakers and loud music, firecrackers, home appliances such as air conditioners, washing machine, mixer grinder, etc. See, causes of noise pollution. Car and bus horns, loudspeakers and loud music, home appliances. See, firecrackers. Now let's summarize the topic we learned today. Water pollution. Harmful substance discharged into water bodies causes water pollution. Land or soil pollution. Land can get polluted when harmful substances accumulate on it. Noise pollution. Excessive and unpleasant sound in our environment is called noise or sound pollution. The intensity of sound is measured in decibel. Checkpoint. Circle the correct answer. Leakage from oil tankers cause this pollution. Water, air. It is the correct answer. Water. Gastroenteritis is caused by drinking salty water, polluted water. Which is the correct answer? Polluted water. Due to pollution, the soil becomes infertile, fertile. Which is the correct answer? Infertile. Both air and noise pollution is caused by loudspeakers, vehicles. Which is the correct answer? Vehicle. Words to know. Oil tankers. Large ships that carry oil. Large ships that carry oil. Decibel. Unit of sound. The loudness of sound is measured in decibels. Now there is an assignment for you. This is Jadav Payam. He is called the forest man of India. Find out why. Dear children, damage to the environment affects us directly. We must do whatever we can to protect our environment. Controlling pollution is crucial for life to continue on this planet. So children, ensure a greener and cleaner environment. Thank you.